Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Yeah, today is so much more less lagging. That's a good thing. So I thought I should come before 2:30 in order to do the live stream for you. Think you can hear the little sound in the background. I don't know why it's doing that. I honestly don't know. Maybe it's because my laptop. Nah, it's come because my laptop is charging. I honestly don't know. So let's start with the analysis. US 30. You can see. Here, price has impulsed the week range. It's probably gonna form a favorable gap. It might form a favorable gap for the week, and then next week come into it and then carry on bullishly. Nasdaq, NQ, same thing happening right here. We're still looking here. We're looking at these highs. Right, nothing much to say there. Yo, I have a dry throat. Not I. The body has a dry throat. Yo. So yeah, we're still here. Remember, I marked this level yesterday. Price came in here, and yeah, as you can see, it reacted off the 50% range. Right now, it's just below the 50% range. Let's go on the daily. I'm gonna be very quick because I want to finish this ASAP, and then we can go to the 5 minutes to actually see the thing play out. Uh, Today is Wednesday. That was Monday. Yeah. It shows on the hourly and the one the it's only show on the daily. Yeah. So that was Monday, that was Tuesday, Wednesday. Say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can see we tried to buy earlier on. My live account got blown. Yeah, I told y'all, right? Because we saw SMT here. So I tried to buy somewhere around here. And my live account got blown. But overall, I made profit. So that's the good part about it. So now we see price is moving bullishly. So I could have waited for this to be established as a swing. That's definitely a lesson learned. So it's not really a loss if you think about it in that way. Yo. Yeah, even though I'm not feeling so good, the body is not feeling so good, I'm still gonna live stream anyway because I love this thing. Because the price took the slow on NQ did a higher high, right, a higher low, so we know this is the weaker one. Let's go for our, yeah, it's moving up. Price didn't respect that level, so we can delete that. Delete that. Okay. Okay. Go up. It's moving aggressively up. All right. Green. You can see just bullish candles all the way. Just bullish. It's coming for this high. These are the highs we marked yesterday that we wanted to attack. Remember? But then I got stopped out here. Somewhere here I got stopped out. Bullishness as well. Alright, you can see. Let's go. This is the level we wanted to attack yesterday. Uh, yeah, we didn't reach it. Now it seems like we're gonna reach it with CPI. Right. Guess they were holding it for CPI. Alright. What's this? Okay, that's the higher time frame level, right? The one on the weekly time frame. So yeah, okay, let's delete this. Right. I don't want that on the charts anymore. I'm gonna delete that too. I'm gonna delete that too. I'm gonna delete that too. Alright, you can see what CPI is trying to do. Let's go on the 15 minutes. Okay, we can anticipate it's going to be a big buy unless price decides to take sell side first and then uh later on go for the buy side, right? So I'm gonna stay here so we can watch what happens. on the 5 minute, right? CPI is released right now. Let's see what happens. Uh, let's see. Okay, okay. So it's going up. It's buying. Okay. So it's reacted in between those two levels. Okay, it's going further up. 830 candle. All right. Okay. But it didn't take the low. Okay, it took it. It came for this low. Cause look, look. All right. Let's see. So mark that. Uh, we're anticipating bullish. Yes. So I'm just gonna put it like this, right, from here to here, and then I'm gonna put 0.75. Yeah, failed to hit the 0.75 level. Right. So price just wicked above the 0.25. Let's go on. What is NQ doing? Right. Usually it's good to take a trade 30 minutes after CPI released, not immediately. See, price took the levels that we marked yesterday. Besides this, it hasn't taken that yet. Right. Came down, took that level. That's the level I wanted to take, but I got stopped out here. But I did take the buy from here to here. Let me show you. I've learned my lesson now, so I know. Yeah, it's connected. Oh, so I have to wait for it to finish connecting. It was taking too long to connect. Okay, so you can see I took a buy, got stopped out, took a buy, got stopped out, then took this buy and closed here. So it was a retracement into this. Yeah. Now we're looking at that level. I really wanted to take this target yesterday, but CPI price took it prior to CPI. Excuse. Okay, they took this sell side liquidity. You can see this huge week. Right, we already know where price is heading now. Right, it's heading here. Where I wanted price to go on a Monday. Remember Monday, price didn't reach there, so took the buy, took two trades out, moved my stop loss to profit, and then got stopped out in profit. Because I was anticipating, I wanted price to reach here, but it didn't reach on Monday. Then on Tuesday, I wanted price to reach there. I took a buy, got stopped out, took another buy, got stopped out, then took another buy to a retracement here and closed my trade. And then price carried on falling, and then you can see today it just started moving upwards. Right. So now it's coming for that Dr. J. Dr. J. Yeah, yeah. This is a huge week, eh? Huge week. Right. Let me delete this. I don't like too many things on my chart. I think I've told you guys already. Yeah, I really don't like a lot of things on my charts. Yeah, looking here. Probably formed the market maker buy model on the 1 minute time frame after it took out this. Right. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, probably on the 30 seconds. But that's huge. This the liquidity range from the high liquidity to the low liquidity. Tomorrow we have PPI. I just wanted to tape read this, to be honest. I don't think I'm gonna tape read until the whole day, until when I wanna tape read. So I'm just gonna tape read this much for now. Excuse me, y'all. Uh, let's put that. Uh, this this is the start of the day. Come on. Yeah. I don't know that took so much energy. Okay. I'll choose which. I don't want this to be seen on the daily. I want this to be seen from. Okay, the 4 hour is fine. Yeah. Let's watch. Would I normally take a trade here? No. My hand definitely wants to press purely, but I'm not gonna take impulsive decisions just because I see this here. Uh, Price took out sell side liquidity. We first took out buy side, right, and then took sell side. But mind you, the buy side it took prior, prior, prior to the 8:30 CPI release. So that's something you need to note. So the CPI actually came, just sipped the sell side liquidity. Now we're looking here, right? Looking at this level. And I see if that's gonna hold price. Yeah. Price may still be cooling down a little bit. Let's mark that 8:30. That's the 8:30, right? This one, yeah. I want to show you on the hourly time frame, and I want the time label here. Right. So it's only gonna show on the 15 minute. To be honest, I don't even think I wanted to show the. Okay, it's fine. It's gonna show on the 15 minute. Then today I have charge. Alright, so let's have like an hour 30 minutes of catching up when it comes to reading. So yeah, let's just say we got a lot to do today. And then there's digital listening to book. So that's also something else that I gotta do for the day. So yeah, we packed. We packed. The thing with chores or things you gotta do, the less you. Okay, so price is talking here. Price took sell side liquidity, failed to close 0.25 level. Let's take this. Price just range. Alright, let's look there. Looking there. Yeah. So the thing is, you see when you don't do something, and then you have the next day you have to do something again. When you repeat the same thing, what happens? The more you don't do it, the more work you get to do the coming days. So it's best you just do the work, right? So today I wanna catch up as much work as possible, right? Yeah, guys. So this was the week, right? The week. I think I can remove from the 1 hour time frame now. And I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna delete it because, you know, There's too many quadrants here. Right, I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna use this week if we need to use any week at all. uh, this is just us tape reading from here. Put the stop loss below that liquidity and target at this level. Right. Uh, just slightly. Yeah. That would have been a 1 to 2. But the entry would have been there. Yeah. On to 7.5. If you make it 1 to 2, it's gonna be here. But then if price goes above here, you don't expect it to come back down, so you just put it here. Yeah. Price is reacting to the consequent encroachment of that. Right. Let's take this and put it there. We're looking at this level here. She's the weakest. So what I learned from yesterday, definitely I can't trade with 150 rand. It's just a matter of with the 150 rand that I had left, right? I'm speaking rands, not dollars, but you can use the same scenario for dollars. With the 150 rand that I had left, I planned on how much I was going to make, but I didn't plan on how much I was willing to lose. So that's very important. Now I have a different mindset shift. Whereby, okay, first plan how much you're willing to lose, and then plan how much you're willing to make. So that's definitely a different mindset shift. So it was a blessing, because yeah, I lost 150, but overall, like, I made money. Overall, I did make money. Not like I actually did make money, because the amount I withdrew was more than the amount I deposit. So overall, I made money. Right. Institutional order flow entry drill. That's good. The swing is good. I want price to remain within this week. I would love that. Right. Let's mark this levels. 0.75, 0.25. Right. Excuse me. Look at the bodies. They staying between the 0.25 and 0.5. Right. Looking at here. If you took this trade, okay. So you order block, boom, and then you put your stop loss here. I would put my stop loss here. Right. Order block entry. Right. Don't want price to come back below here. I don't want price to come back below here. Right. Because twin back into the upper level of 0.75 and 0.5. So I wouldn't want price to come back below here. Then that would be my target. Yeah. So yeah. And then I want speed above here. This is a trade that's good. Because as soon as price came, right, this one closed. Look at this candle, closed between 0.5 and 0.25. The next candle closed between 0.75 and 0.5. Then this candle, as soon as it closed below that, the next candle came bullishly. This candle, I wanted it to close bullishly, but it didn't. It took this high, so I want this one here to give speed. I want it to have speed and strength. But again, It's good to trade 30 minutes after the 8:30 release. If price comes back between here, right, we could get stopped out before it does the final movement upwards. It means it's probably retracing to a 5-minute level. Let's see. Okay, so there's no 5-minute level for it to retrace to here, so we chilled. But it could still just do an institutional order flow entry drill here again and then go up. You don't like this, that this candle closed back in this range 0.5. Yeah, so you would have gotten stopped out here. Okay, now watch. Let's see what the S&P 500 is doing. Alright, institutional order flow. Okay, so S&P 500 took its high. That explains the minor retracement. She took her high, so that explains the minor retracement. So she reached there first, and then did an institutional order flow entry drill. Mind you, she's respecting the 0.25 level, which is a higher time frame level on the weekly. I'm gonna make this like, okay, watch. Yo, I honestly don't feel like going to church today, but I'm still gonna go. Just because I don't feel like going doesn't mean I shouldn't go. It's more of a reason why I should go. Because why am I feeling like not going to church? That's suspicious. What is the enemy planning? uh Strong be sneaky, sneaky. Let's watch the zone. I want a portion to remain open. I'd love that. This one already took this, so if it fills the whole thing, I'll understand. I don't mind, right? Because it's already took parcel liquidity, so even if it fills this entire thing, I'll understand. I won't hold it against her. Whereas him, I'd prefer he leaves a portion open because he hasn't taken this. He just reacted above the zero point 0.5 level and then retraced. So I prefer he leaves a portion open, even if it's a small portion, like from here, you see this low to here. Like I want that portion to remain like that. I would prefer price not go below that. This should be the swing low. Where's this thing? And I told you why I want this to be the swing low. Yeah, I want this to be the swing low. This candle, midpoint, and then up. Yeah. Uh, yeah, I definitely like the stream today. There's no lagging like yesterday. I don't know why there was so much lagging yesterday, yo. I need to know now. I'm so excited. I don't know why. To be honest, I don't know why I'm so excited. My spirit is just. Yesterday, what happened right after? What's this high? Did price? What's this high? Look here. Right. 29,813.6. This one here. This low. Look here. 29,814.2. So it left a small gap, very small gap. Yeah, that's what I want. That's what I wanted. Okay, I want this to hold price, for price to remain in this upper quadrant. Right. We We're still looking here. So since I want this to be the swing, right, this would be the trade. Yeah. And imagine you don't want this to go below that. From here, there'll be a 1 to 2.41. Then until here to be a 1 to 4.8. Okay, I want this candle came, respected this. Unless price is gonna play around 850 macro is starting now. No, it's 850 to 19, I think. I don't trade it, so I'm not too sure about that macro. I'm just assuming, yeah, I'm just saying because ICT said every 50 to 10 is a macro. So 850 to 910 macro is starting now. Right, let's see what she's doing. She took this, yeah. Uh, she respected that. Oh, she also left a gap, even though I gave her leeway to fill this entire thing. Does it mean something, right? What if I give her leeway to fill this entire thing and she doesn't feel it? Does it mean it's a reversal? I think that's a good question, hey. That's a very good question. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think it's a very good question, hey. Yeah, I need to study that. Excuse me. And look at how price respected this level. What's this high? Look here. H stands for high. What's this high? 756.89. So it went slightly above this. This one here 756.90. So it went slightly above this. Seems like price wants to make a market maker sell model. So I'll take that low. And this one here seems to have been the one to form the SMT. Uh, so it doesn't look like price is gonna be going up anytime soon. Like I said earlier, that's why it's good to wait 30 minutes after to trade. So at 9, I remember I said I didn't want price to break through this. You can see the bodies are all respecting that upper level. Get this body disrespected it. Okay, let's see how it closes. This one you failed. This one you failed. So you would have gotten stopped out here. Yeah, and price touched this low. So now we just wait. See how we tape reading. We know, okay, in live situations, we're not gonna be taking this trade because we wait 30 minutes after to take the trade. Right now, we just tape reading. Right, price is still respecting this. It just wicked below that. Right. Oh, and I learned something. What's this? What's this low? 29813.8. What's this high? 29813.6. Oh, it still left a gap. Okay. So next time I know I'm gonna put my stop loss, right? I'm gonna put my stop loss on this candle below the 0.25, right? I know I wrote 7. Yeah. Uh, yeah. So I'm gonna put it below the 0.25 next time. It still left a gap, right? So it's good. We're still going up. Okay, so we're still looking upwards. Even though I wanted the swing to hold, I said I'll be one price to remain in this candle, and that's exactly what price did. Right, you can see all the bodies respected that. Okay, now since price is here, We want this. It can tap here and then start moving higher. Right? We don't want it to go low, low, low. We don't want it to go low. Right? Yeah. If that was a trade, this would be a two, one to two, and this would be a one to four. Yeah. We holding on. I'm gonna get a funded account soon. What game you playing? Breakman. Oh, Batman. Oh, yeah, guys. I was talking to my cousin. Let's move this so you guys can see the price action. I'm gonna move that. I'm gonna move that. Yeah. Okay. You don't want price consolidating too much in here. Yeah. At all. Like, look at this, right? You left a small bag, breakaway gap. You would have preferred for that to remain open if price wants to go up. Let's look at S&P 500 and see what she's doing. I don't know if it's not a good idea to trade when you're not feeling well or when the body is not feeling well. I don't know. But like, yeah, I'm tape reading this thing because I love tape reading. I also love trading, don't get that wrong. It's snowing. Hey, some places it's snowing, bro. People are happy. Like they've never seen snow in their life, bruh. They've been jumping in the snow. That's good. That's no. Bro's happy. The way he's smiling. Yeah, that's funny. Let's let's go. Uh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, look at that. That's not a good sign. Uh, you would have preferred this remain open. This held price. So I personally, I had a vision when I was praying. Yeah, but hey, I don't think I need to share it with y'all. Guys, you'll need to work on your art. Yo, like honestly, she's strong. You can tell she's very strong because even after taking this, she still left a gap. That means she's very strong. Yeah. Baby. See the price action, not the best. So price is still respecting that wick. Yo, uh, somebody say, I wonder why Cape Town has so many customer service call centers, but here in Durban we have so few. uh, so the only thing that held here was the body. The body held, so that's a good thing. This is holding, right? Still looking here. We want speed, right? We want speed towards this target. She's the weaker one. Stop loss is not hit. Remember, where is it? Stop loss was here, right? Where was the stop loss? Where did we take the trade? I think we took the trade here, right? I'm not too sure. Uh, and then this was a 1 to 4. So it means, yeah, I think it was here. You want this? You'd prefer this to remain open? Because look at this, right? Look at this week. You prefer this to remain open. And you want this candle to close above that. Yeah. Still looking at that level. This is price action, right? Look at that. It's respecting this. It respected that. She's very strong, right? And the reason I'm saying very strong, apart from being inside a higher time frame level, right? Why I'm saying she's very strong. Look at this low. It's kept even after taking liquidity. It still kept the low, and the bodies remain above the midpoint. So she's very strong. At least was very strong. That could change at 9:30. A lot happens. Yeah, she on the other hand, not very strong. All right, she's been entering the zone for how many times now? How many times has she entered? She came here. She failed. She came here. Okay, she still left the portion open, so it's good. I want this candle to close 0.25. It would be nice if it closes also like above the 0.75 level. It would be better if it closes above this high. That would be the best case scenario, right? That would be the best case scenario. Yeah. Oh, let me watch it also on my. Look at that. See, very weak, very weak. She actually wicked above this. That's a matter of concern, huge concern. Yeah, a matter of huge concern, because she's really struggling to get past the zero point 0.5 level. However, she managed to wick above here, so that's huge concern, right? The only time you'd be safe is if you took the very first one, which was here. Excuse. I can't wait to get my funded account, yo. As soon as I start working, like yo, I'm gonna get a funded account. I'm gonna start with I'm gonna start with what $5,000 account, and then after $5,000 account, the profits. I want to get reinvested, so on and so on and so on. So I'll just build from there. Because I can trade. Yeah, I can trade. As you guys can see, I can trade. Oh, yeah. Right. We're still looking. We're waiting for price. Right now, the only thing we're looking at is 0.5 level. Right. We want price to close above there. And once you close above there, we don't want to see any nonsense about her coming back down here. This is a good sign. What's this? 29,829, right? Oil. Even though you're weak, I don't want to see you below the 0.5 level. Now I want to start seeing you go up, 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 higher, 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 eh, higher, 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 eh. Okay. This should not be a factor in stopping price. What happened? I don't know what happened. Yeah. Okay. I was like, yo, what happened, mind you? Yeah, beautiful, beautiful stuff. All right, we're still looking here. All right, if you took two trades, I would say you take a partial off here. Remember our initial trade here? Yeah, but it wasn't here. It was using this candle. Week. You would have taken. What is this thing here? It's that. Okay. Okay. Took that high. Now your stop loss will be moved. At least my stop loss would be moved. Not to break even, but to this level, right? To this level. My stop loss would have been moved here because I don't want this lower part to be touched. And if I get stopped out in profit, I'll be cool with that, right? Make it purple and fat. That's where my stop loss would be because I want this weak midpoint to keep price, and I would have gotten stopped out in profit, and then I'll just now watch because I would have closed some of my trade here. Mm, uh, 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 yeah, we're watching here. Uh, is this thing? Remember, I wanted this midpoint to hold price. There is it. Uh, Sometimes I don't really feel like using my brain. Because the things I read in English, my books I read in English, I write in English, I think in English, I pray in English. So now everything I do is translated into English. That's how my brain works, right? So if someone sends me something in Zulu, my brain will translate it into English. If someone sends me something in French, my brain will translate. OBS reconnected. Uh, Yeah, I like in and out. Like in, out. Done for the day. Move on. Okay, she took her high also. Uh, yeah, let's watch that. Yo, I can't wait. Yo, the thing with starting a new business, you see, when you're starting a new business, you have to learn different skills. Yo, like private number. I might have to mutual for a while. We back. So this level is holding price or held price, so that's good. We're looking here. I can't wait to get my funded account. Doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. So 8:30 to 10 trade. Wait, have I taken any trades? This thing disconnected again. Yeah, yeah. So yo guys, yo, excuse me, yo. Just so you can see where we at the moment. We're at $65 and 22 cents. Balance history, you can see, right? That's the balance history here. Yesterday, most of the money I lost was yesterday. You can see, right? Most of the money I lost was yesterday. Um, excuse me, yo. This entry held price. This one held price. This level held price. And this range held price. And then this range held price. And now we here. Oh, I should have taken screenshots, yeah. So I can post on my Instagram. But hey, it is what it is, right? Mm. I think I can just watch the video and take screenshots. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna look as posh. Still looking there. This Hal told you is very strong. She's very strong because even after taking buy side, she still left the gap, and this remained as the swing. She, on the other hand, is weak, but she's still moving. She's not the weakest. She's like the follower, right? The weakest is her. Excuse me. You can see she's the weakest. Price is stuck between this open and this close. She's like, not for long. I'm gonna come out. I'm gonna come out too. Excuse me, guys. Yeah. Finally, she's out. Just a head above water. Remember, she's the follower. The strongest is S&P 500. And boom. Target hit. Target hit. Done. Target hit. Now, if you're gonna trade, this the next target. Let's go. I think they're gonna use the 9:30 to attack that one. If not, the 9:50. Excuse me, sorry. Uh, oh, I'm looking forward for when I have more than one chart. Oh, it's starting to lag again. Yo, I don't like that. Here's the target. Is there anything higher than that? Oh, it's just ranges. This range. This target is good. It's just slightly above the zero point 0.5, so price could even weak and then go down. Right, but it will most likely hit the target. So that's the caveat. We haven't gone on the 5 minute. Hey, oh, let me make this big. Let me delete that. The swing I wanted to hold didn't hold, although it did hold the bodies. Right, I wanted it to also be like the main swing. However, price did respect that I said I wanted a gap. Right, left a very small gap. You can see. Alright, very small, hardly noticeable, hardly noticeable. Right. Let me see something. I wanna see something. If we take that and then we go there, and then that, I wanna see something. I'm always curious. I wanna study these things. Mm, oh, from here to here, just went the huh, slightly below there. Okay, interesting. Yeah, excuse. You could use this as support. I can delete this now. This is how you taper it into confidence. Oh yeah, let me send my girl the message. Um, uh, let's watch. Okay, remember I said there's a 5 minute level. 9:30 usually retraces into and then attacks. So here's one. Oh, you can show, but I don't know. 1 minute. Okay, let me just. Yeah. Price seems to be moving before the 9:30. So 9:30 could just fly up. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Yo. Uh, 9:30. Rewatching. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Yeah. Look at how the bodies respected this level. Interesting. Let's touch. Yeah. Seems the 9:30 will just fly up. Yeah. Let's see. Uh, Looking at this, it's by say liquidity. Liquidity. Yo, excuse. Uh, I'll be quiet for a while. Look at the 9:30. Yeah, look at that. I just came. Should start going up. Okay, so it came back. Look here, this should hold. Yeah, the 0.25 level. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, so it did retrace. Uh, take two. Ooh, I just remember something. Yesterday, it was the exact same thing I did. Price was falling and I just took the buy. it was lagging. How is it gonna take this lows? Yeah, I remember what I said. It's the exact same thing I did yesterday. I took the trade while it was just falling. That's what I was like, ish. And yesterday she was the weakest also. She was weak, the weaker one, not the weakest, the weaker one. Nah. Mm, mm. The about a minute. Look where it closes. It's very important. Yeah. You want the next candle to be big. I'm talking gigantic. Gigantic. This candle must be gigantic. Like, so yeah. I'll close this tray because I took it prematurely. Even that's lagging. Look at that. Price went right to the bottom. Yeah, we won't be needing that. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Oh, what's the current balance? Price may come for this, just so you all know. Minus 34. Yeah. Took this lows. 5 minute B candle. Good. Question is price going to come and take this and this? Which one is close? So, I'm not too sure, so I'm not gonna take a trade. Could be coming for this. I'm not sure. Right. So I'm not taking any trade. What's this? Let's hide this. Could be going down, could be going up. So since I'm unsure, I'm gonna stay out. No. Seems to be coming here. Went back out. Watch this. That is your issue. Look at that. Oh, it could come here, and then 950 macro comes for the. To be honest, I wanna finish tape reading here, cause I have other things to do. And from now on, it'll be taking a while until we build our account to yo allows $94. Basically everything I made yesterday plus more. Uh, thinking. Excuse. Let's look there. It's back in here. Okay. Price wants to start going up now. Let's see what this can do. Okay. Excuse. Sorry about that. Going to just slightly below there. Oh, this one is flying. I don't think we'll have an entry opportunity unless we enter here. Let's see. bit more. I like it to use this. Take one. It's lagging. I clicked it. So we start off with the one. Put that there. Doubles below the, yeah. We want this whole to the 950 macro. We'll push price. It'd be nice if it goes to the consequential encouragement. Take a screenshot of that. Went lower. That's good. We'll take another one. Yeah. Stop loss. Slightly here. Because you want the body to close here. It can weaken to here. But there's also a breaker. But this breaker is huge. That's what I have against this breaker. Plus, yeah, you got stopped down. Yeah. Okay. Was it retracing? Yeah. Yeah, that's enough for today. Minus. Did I lose the chart? I think 250, and then you're out. Let's just watch. Yo, this one's going down. I think she's coming for you. Yo, she came so close. Just look here. We're also looking here. Oh. Mhm. Let's watch. Yeah, it's going down. Yeah, I said it enough. So we're not taking another tray. Now I know. CPI day, avoid the range 8:30 to 10. It's actually my first time live tape reading CPI during the session. What's happening? Oh, let's see. Just copy that. Yeah. Let me remove this two thing. Why are they still here? So I got this right, this one right. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. Then I lost two trades. The ones I actually took, I lost. The ones I predicted, I did not lose. Crazy. It's my first time, so I'm tape reading CPI. So I took a buy here, got no, closed the trade. Took a buy here, took another buy here, got stopped out in the next candle. Crazy. And then this, yeah, yeah, no, yeah, Okay, I'm done for the day. So 8:30. Oh yeah, we say we'll stop at 10. 10. Look at this. Yeah. The only clean was here until 9:30. The next candle after 9:30 just fell. So let's just make it 9:2. What's the midpoint? Midpoint between 8 and 10 is 9. Between 9 and 10 is 9:30. Alright? Take out 15 minutes. We get 8:45. Take out another 15 minutes. Yeah. This can be the midpoint. No way. Uh, then put 9:50. If you minus 1 hour, it's 8:50. If you add 1 hour, it's 10:50. Huh. If you add 45 minutes, it's 10. If you minus 45 minutes, yeah, it's 8:30. CPI. I'll keep this in my journal. This was beautiful. Yeah, it's going down. It's coming for this 950. The probabilities of it coming for this increased, but it will increase more if it closes below the midpoint or not above this close by 1010. So here's the close. Make it straight. That's the close on the 5 minutes. On the 1 minute, you can't see. That's an interesting question. How is it, yeah, that a 5 minute close? Let me write it down. Control Windows O. You guys wanna see the candle? It's not visible. Cause look, which time frame? What if? Wait, that's a nice question. What if time frame that aligns in close and open is the time frame that the algo operates to determine the duration by which each time will then start aligning with the overall higher time frame that is institutionally influenced. Smart money. Huh. a nice question. That needs an answer. Take that. Okay, let's go on the 5 minute first. Alright, close. Alright. See, this candle close above that. So that's a good indication. Look here. But this is only for the CPI candle. Okay. Look at this level. Now, this is Hypo. You guys saw me write this thing. Where it went to? Yo, what's going on? Oh, I'm like, hey, I wrote this thing. Okay. Yeah, I'm done. Guys, it was nice tape reading with you all, live stream with you. First experience for all of us. So that's good. We'll do many more CPI so we can get you soon. With that said, peace out. End stream. Stop streaming.